This is how to install the ViewTrade T-Blade post support. Let's install this T-Blade to secure our timber post to our concrete slab. First, mark the base of your timber post for the slot and the locations where the bolt holes will be. You can use the T-Blade as a template. Cut out the slot for the blade. A popular method is to use a circular saw and to drill out the end of the check for a smooth cut. Next, being sure to drill at a right angle, drill out the holes for the fastening bolts. Rotate the post to drill out the holes through the whole timber width. Secure the T-Blade to concrete using anchoring bolts. Follow the bolt manufacturer's instructions for correct installation procedure. For a neat finish, use a T-Blade cap which conceals the anchoring bolts. Slide on the timber and fasten with view bolts for a dome head finish on both timber ends. And that's it, your T-Blade installation is complete. And here's one we prepared earlier. For more, check out viewtrade.com.